So Done by the Kid LAROI is going to be played in standard tuning. It's actually being played on a ukulele, but you can pull off the feel if you capo on the 7th fret. Capoing on the 7th fret to get this ukulele feel is not really the most fun way to play it because it's revolving around like bar chords and you're really high up on the neck. But I'll show you this and then I'll show you an alternate way that's a little bit easier. So if you're going to try to mimic the ukulele sound, you're going to begin on what would be a relative B minor chord. Your first finger is going to be on the 5-string 2nd fret. I'm speaking relative to the capo, so 1, 2, 5-string 2 fret. Ring finger on the 4-string 4 fret. Pinky finger on the 3-string 4 fret. Second finger on the 2-string 3 fret. And you'll be down, down, up, 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 down, up. That's kind of the strumming feel of this song. I'm just doing it with my fingers. So the first one, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then the second chord will be a D chord, which I move to by leaving my second finger in place on the 2-string 3 fret, moving my first finger and just using it to bar the 2nd fret of strings 3 and 1. And then I'm going to pluck the open 4 string. So down, down, up, down, up. So you're going from the D minor to the D chord. Now on this D chord, you can hear that. That would be a down, down, up on the D chord. But then you're going to put your pinky finger down on what is the real 12th fret right here, barring the 1 and 2 strings on the 12th fret. And you'll go like 3, 1, 2. And then you're going to go. So what these last two chords, not cards, but chords, are F-shaped chords relative to the capo. So if you've got an F-shaped chord, we're going to go, so this is 3 fret, 4 fret, 5 fret, 6 fret, the 7th fret relative to the capo. Ring finger on the 4-string 7th fret, second finger on the 3-string 6th fret, first finger barring the 2 and 1 strings. That would be the relative 5th fret, but it's the real 12th fret. So right here, you've got to be very careful not to hit the open 5 and open 6 strings, but down, down, up, down, up, and then take this shape and just slide it down 2 frets. So that your ring finger is on the relative 5th fret, your second finger, your ring finger is on the 4-string relative 5th fret, your second finger is on the 3-string relative 4th fret, and your first finger is barring strings 2 and 1 on the relative 3 fret. And there's a little riff that you can hear happen there, which would be out of this F shape, put your pinky finger back down on the 2-string 12th fret, so the double marked fret there. Raise it up 2 frets, come back to the 12, and then that 10 fret, which is our relative 3 fret. And it's a quick slide up, slide back down, and then first finger to the 2-string 3 fret. And then it just repeats. It doesn't do that little lick each time. I think it only does it like every other time. So, if you don't want to deal with that really hard way to play it, we can achieve the same chord progression if we capo on the 2nd fret. So I've capoed on the 2nd fret. Now our chords will be an E minor shape, to a G shape, to a D major shape, to a C major shape, and my guitar is out of tune. Also, it's worth noting that the tuning of the instrument that is used on the recorded version of the song by the Kid LAROI is not in standard tuning. So if you try to play along with it, your instrument will sound out of tune from it. But my guitar is just out of tune in general right now. But so That would be an E minor shape, open 6 string, second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, ring finger on the 4 string 2 fret, everything else open. To a G chord, I've got my second finger on the 6 string 3 fret, my first finger on the 5 string 2 fret, open 4, open 3, second finger pulled back to the 2 string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 1 string 3 fret, up to a D major shape, open 4 string, first finger on the 3 string 2 fret, ring finger on the 2 string 3 fret, second finger on the 1 string 2 fret, and then a C major. I've got my ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret, second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3 string, first finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string, and it just repeats. E or E minor to the G major, to the D major, to the C major, to the E minor, to the G major, to the D major, to the C major, and it just repeats from there. So in this capo fashion, we kind of lose some of the nuance, like this little, there's not really a good way to play that down here. I guess you could play right there, but it doesn't fall very naturally back into that C chord. That would be, where am I? I'm on the real 7 fret, the 1 string real 7 fret, sliding up to the real 9 fret of the 1 string, back down to the real 7 fret of the 1 string, and then the real 5 fret of the 1 string. So anyway, those are the chords and the movements. It just repeats those 4 chords over and over. Chords and movements for So Done by the Kid LAROI. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.